Hi everyone. So based on our previous video last week, if you notice that we discussed about this, okay, the substitution method, and hence we got the answer here, x1, x2, y1, y2. And as I promised you last week, we're going to discuss about how elimination method works. Okay, so let's go right into it. Okay, so as per usual, okay, so we know that this is equation 1, which is 2x plus y equals to 4, which is equation 1, and x squared minus 2y is equals to 3. This is equation 2. Okay, so based on these two equations here, I want you to look at, sorry, I think I've done a mistake here. So this is 2xy. Okay, so if you notice equation 1 and equation 2 here, let's look at which one is the most complex equation. As we know, we have established in the last video, equation 2 is the most complex one because we have an x squared and an xy here. Okay, so my target here is I'm going to eliminate either one of this. And my most logical reasoning is I'm going to eliminate the xy because it's quite complex here, okay, because you need to substitute two different terms to solve this equation, and hence I'm going to eliminate them. So how am I going to eliminate this? Okay, so the step here is very direct. Equation 1, we just times it by 2x. So let's see what happens when you times 2x to the equation. Okay, 2x, let's rewrite the equation again. 2x plus y equals to 4. So what happens here is when 2x times 2x, you get 4x squared. 2x times y, you get 2xy. And you times the last one here with the 4, you get 8x. So when you look at this equation here, you notice something, okay, that these two terms, okay, this term here and this term is the same now. So when we say elimination, you just put a minus there, and this step here is very direct. Okay, I'm going to put this equation 3 and you decide, okay, which one you want to do. So I'm going to see here is either minus or plus between equation 2 and equation 3. So equation 2 and equation 3, okay, let's start with minus first. So if I want to minus this both, okay, so let me rewrite. We have x squared minus 2xy equals to 3. Okay, so if I minus 4x squared minus x squared, I'll have 3x squared. Positive 2xy minus negative, so you notice these two will complement and will eventually become plus. We'll end up with positive, so we'll have plus 4xy equals to 8x plus 3, which is nothing. There's nothing to be eliminated here. So we know there's something wrong. Okay, so let's just erase them. Okay, now what is the better method? Okay, of course not plus, then you know it's obviously, no, sorry, not minus, is obviously plus, right? So we're going to change this to plus. So 4x squared plus x squared, we'll have 5x squared. Positive 2xy plus negative, so we'll end up getting 0 here. And 8x plus 3x, you'll just get 8x plus 3. Okay, sorry, not 3x, is 3. Okay, hence we got this. So let's just bring all the equation to one side. We'll have 5x squared minus 8x minus 3 equals to 0. Hence, when you do the factorization again, okay, a is 5, b is negative 8, c is negative 3. We'll get the x1 value is 1.9136 and x2 is negative 0.3136. So based on these two equations, you notice something very clear. x1 and x2 is clear, and of course solving for y is going to be quite direct. As you can see here, we have clearly established that, okay, take the equation, just substitute, it's basic algebra, and you have solved it. So I hope this is quite clear, because in the substitution method is actually quite a tiresome thing, it's quite lengthy. And for the elimination method, if you notice here, it's just matter of knowing what you want to eliminate and just manipulate the equation accordingly. So I hope this solves your solves your problem in understanding simultaneous equation and subsection elimination method and also substitution method. Okay, please subscribe if you like the video. Please send more questions if you need me to solve them, or any topics you need me to solve them. I would be glad to solve it. Okay, and please keep come back next week, okay, for more further videos and more discussions of questions and topics. Thank you so much. Have a good day, guys. Bye bye.